grateful for every small thing because God turns ordinary days into blessings when our hearts stay thankful. Today, I'm making something simple but special, a sourdough shokupan steak sandwich. I start by sautéing onions, red and green peppers because the smell of food cooking always reminds me of home and grace. Once the veggies soften, I cook the steak on my cast iron until it's tender and juicy. It's these quiet steps, this rhythm in the kitchen, that often feels like prayer to me. Next, I butter and toast my sourdough shokupan slices until golden. Then I layer everything together, the steak, the sautéed veggies, and a slice of cheese that melts right over the top. Drizzle with a little mayo or your favorite dressing. Close that sandwich. There you have a gut-friendly, yummy sourdough shokupan steak sandwich. And the best part? Take a grateful bite. So whether it's a simple sandwich or a feast for many, let's not forget to give thanks for the hands that prepare, the food that nourishes, and the moments that remind us of His goodness. This is really good. Try this.